Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door assembly in your LG washer, you will need a drill driver with a 5/16 nut driver bit. Unthread the two bolts that secure the door to the washer. Lift the door up to unhook it from the washer. To install the new door assembly, hook the washer door onto the washer. Rethread the two bolts that secure the door to the washer. And your washer should be ready for use.